I'm Dr. Kirsten Lewanig, and I'm coming to you from River Valley Chiropractic, where we teach you to move well so that you can live well. And I wanted to talk a little bit about some neck pain today. I had several patients come in last week, and they all happened to have spasm in the same muscle, which was the levator scapula muscle. And if you're not familiar with the levator scapula muscle, it actually it attaches up here on the top of your first and second bones in your neck, your first and second vertebra, and then it runs down to the bone in the back of your shoulder, your scapula, and attaches at the superior and inside medial border of the scapula. And the action of the levator scapula muscle is to elevate the scapula and medially retract the scapula. That's the action of the muscle. Now, what can cause this muscle to spasm up and hurt? Well, one of my patients had been doing back workouts. So he had been doing rows and flies. Both of those involve movement of the scapula, especially if there's some imbalance or weakness in some of the back muscles, and as you're doing a row, you find that your shoulders pull up a little bit instead of rowing straight back. But again, even rowing straight back, you're bringing your scapula in and you're getting that movement of that levator scapula muscle. So overworking the back, doing a really long back workout. He was also doing flies, which moves the scapula. Both of those things can cause spasm in that muscle, especially if it's overused. Another patient had been on a long car ride over the mountains and had slept in a different bed, and maybe it was the way she was sitting in the car or just the act of sitting for a longer period of time. Who knows what it was, but for whatever reason she had that same muscle spasm up on her. And then another patient just woke up with spasm, and it may have been that her pillow was not quite right for her neck, and so the way she slept, it caused spasm again in that muscle. But it can be extremely painful. It can cause a lot of pain in the neck and or the shoulder. And so they come in and they're complaining, hey, my neck hurts. You know, I feel like I can't move my neck very well. It's really tight. It's right here. It keeps spasming up. It hurts, especially when I move. So how can we do, what is one easy stretch that we can do to help alleviate that spasm or muscle tightness in the levator scapula muscle? So one easy stretch you can do is keeping your shoulders pulled away from your ears. So keeping your shoulders down, you're going to bring your nose, if it's the right side that we're stretching, towards your left knee. So I'm going to look and stretch down towards my left knee. I'm going to hold that stretch for 30 seconds to 2 minutes. You can add a little extra pressure by pulling forward on your head, gently. And you're going to feel stretch from up here down to the top of your shoulder. Another one you can do to further stretch it, if that doesn't feel like that's getting it, you can actually bring your arm behind your back. Again, shoulder out of the ear. This is going to pull the scapula down this way, and then you're going to do the same thing. So we're stretching the right side, nose towards your left knee, and hold. And then we would repeat the same thing on the left side. If the left side was affected, then you'd be bringing your nose towards your right knee. And that's going to stretch that muscle. That's an easy stretch you can do. Again, you're going to want to hold that for 30 seconds to 2 minutes to stretch that muscle. If you're having spasm in the levator scapula specifically, this will also get some of the upper trap in there, but we're addressing the levator scapula. If you have any questions about what this muscle does or questions about this stretch, go ahead and pop it in the comments below. If you have further questions or other questions on videos that you would like to see us do, go ahead and put that in the comments below as well. And I'd like to ask you to please like, share, and subscribe to our channel and share this video. And I want to say have a wonderful day. Thank you for joining me. Again, I'm Dr. Kirsten Lewanig, and I'm coming to you from River Valley Chiropractic, where we teach you to move well, live well. Have a great day. Bye. That was Michael. Bye.